We have a presidency that sits down on Monday morning and goes, who are we going to kill in the Middle East today? These are our options. We have the drones up and running right now. Tell us which button to push. This is the reality of this world. And you are all paying for it. And me. You are. You have an opportunity to change that, because what does the blockchain do? It takes the power from those who push the buttons, make the decisions, chooses who lives, who dies, decides how much more you're going to have to work for the government for free so that you can live a normal life. It changes that into something where we are all equal participants. This is not communism, this is not socialism, this is not, you're gonna be fine, we'll take care of you. No, you still must work for yourself and be responsible for you. Here, now, today, in this room, you can make the decision to say, yeah, I'm with you. Give me my uniform. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, you're desperate to ask a question. Yes, sir. This is nice.
How do you envision a world?
I'm sorry?
How do you envision a world where governments can't collect taxes?
I'm sorry, what governments can't?
Governments can't collect taxes. How does that work?
Okay. All right, now, fortunately, this gentleman asked, how do you envision a world where governments can't collect taxes? Fortunately, I ran for the presidency under the Libertarian banner in 2016. And I got to answer this question 1,000 times. Do you realize that when America was first founded, there was no taxes? Nothing. Why was America founded? We hated taxation. The Boston Tea Party, they're taxing our tea? No, sir. Throw it in the ocean. That was the beginning of this country. For 100 years, there were no taxes. How do they do it? There was a thing called use. Pay for use. What would that mean? In today's world, how many people drive on freeways? All of you, yes? Who does not ever drive on a freeway? Okay, now, who created the freeways? Mostly the federal government. We're doing it for free. I get to drive on this nice road, and people come out and maintain it 2 or 3 times a year, and it's smooth. I can almost sleep while I'm driving. Well, why don't you pay for that? Those of you who drive long distances, what do they charge you? 10 cents per mile. You can afford that. 10 cents per mile. Run the numbers, please. We could run this country just off taxing, if you want to call it taxing, paying for what you use, not what I don't use. I paid $40 million 1 year in taxes in the mid-90s. What did I get for that? Audited. I wasn't using anything, right? Nothing. And so I actually called and said, okay, I've calculated the average wage for the American federal worker. I want to talk to my 800 employees. Where are they, please? No, they're not there. So if I'm using the road, I should pay for the road. If I'm going to a national park and enjoying something that has been preserved for hundreds of years, I should pay for it. That's not taxing you. It's something you choose to pay for. You don't want to pay for the federal highways, then don't drive on them. Take the back roads. I used to do that. I'm an off-road driver. It's more scenic anyway. So yes, this is how you do it. We don't have to think in that same box that we're living in. How do we want a government without taxes? Pretty damn easy. America did it for 100 years. Did that answer your question? Anybody else have, by the way, a pressing question now, because I may not get you later? Yes, sir? Let's just make this question time. Yes? I'm sorry, sir. Please come forward. I'm old and deaf. Yes.
I have a question regarding blockchain, obviously. So you mentioned earlier that with the internet we gain so much, and we have to pay the price of our currency in order to benefit from the internet. With that said, with blockchain, there's already so much growth and innovation in this technology, but at what price do we have to pay as human beings to benefit from this technology?
I think I understand your question. What is the price for what our benefit is? Well, it depends on us. Let me give you an example. The promise of the blockchain and cryptocurrency is a transformation of our world. It has not happened in the way that I would like to see it.